Okay, welcome back. So let's quickly revise on length. We have learned string length when we just started. So this is just a bit more advanced compared to what we learned then. So this one I want to talk about a situation whereby you will be typing a message and you'll be saying the number of characters you have typed when you want to submit. So, and that will also lead us to how we can limit messages we want from users, such as the way it happens on Instagram and then Twitter. You know, on Instagram, I don't know the number of characters that is allowed, but it seems on Twitter it is usually 180 characters, and immediately when your message you typed is more than that, immediately you submit, it's going to cut extras, all those excesses, is going to cut them off, leaving behind only the one that meet up with the characters. So we are going to be learning that. Okay, so now let's message this a variable message prompt, what is on your mind. So I'm just trying to use what Facebook normally use, what's on your mind. Okay, so after you have typed all your posts and all of that, then I want to create an alert. After you have typed your message and you have pressed OK or you have entered it, then I want it to give you the length of your message. You can say, okay, the length of your message is message dot length. So this one is going to count the number of characters we have there. So let's quickly come here and check. Okay, what's on your mind? So different forms, and then immediately I press OK, it's going to tell us the number of message I have. Okay, the length of your message is 70. So can you see that? When you refresh it, it's going to bring you another one. Just that fill, and then this is going to give you something like, is it 10? Yes, the length of your message is 10. Okay, so this is just a kind of revision. We have learned something like this before. Go and practice. We are still going further than this. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.